ahead and we're going to do tutorial 6, and then tomorrow we're going to do tutorial 5 and 7. All right? So we're going to start off by making a bolt. So again, we're going to start a new piece, and we're going to go make a file. We're going to go make a sketch, and we're going to choose our YZ plane. From there, we're going to go make a circle from the middle, the origin. We're going to click, and we're going to stretch it to 0.75. Okay, so we do it at 0.75, and we're going to press Finish Sketch. Oh, what just happened there? Let's just go undo that. Let's go press Delete. I don't know what just happened there, but let's go Sketch. Let's go again use the YZ. I have no clue what happened there before, so it's okay. A circle from the center. We're going to go draw it at 0.75. Before it did something completely weird. I don't know what it was, but it's okay. We're going to go now do our extrude of how much? Distance 3. Does it make a difference which direction we're going in? No. So I'm going to do again, because I like to mess around with you guys. I'm going to do it actually in the other. I'm going to go backwards. All right? And I'm going to press OK. So now we have our cylinder for our screw, our bolt, sorry. The next step we're going to do is we're going to go again sketch. We're going to sketch again on YZ. And we're going to do a polygon. So under slot, we should see polygon, or under rectangle. We're going to see how many sides we want. We want 6, which is perfect. And do we want to be inscribed or circumscribed? Circumscribed. We're going to grab the center, and we're going to pull it outward. And what's our distance going to be? Does it give it to us yet? So it should be inscribed. Thank you for telling me the correct one. And we're going to go just click anywhere at the moment. Do we agree? Afterwards, we're going to put a dimension in. So we're just going to make sure that it's straight along the line. We're going to go out a dimension from here to here. Should be how much? From, erase this. From corner to corner? Oh, sorry. It's the same thing, guys. What's this supposed to be? 1.5. So it's the same, even if it's this orientation or it looks like this. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same piece, either way. You're just rotating the piece around. Here, I'll go this way to make it easier for some of you. All right, now we're going to draw a line, right? And we're going to draw a line, correct? Do we draw a line down the middle? Am I jumping ahead? We're going to draw a construction line. From here, we're going to go draw that line down the middle like so. Okay? And then we're going to extrude. What's our extrusion going to be? 0.5. Going up or going into the screw? Does anybody know? Direction 1. Is it we're going into the screw or we're going above the screw? Above the screw. Press OK. And there's our screw right now. If we go press home, we see it looks like so. Now we're going to go add our thread. Correct? So now we're going to go, how do we do it? We go back to our modify, and we're going to add our thread. We're going to go choose our face, like so. And then we're going to go do what? We're going to go do full length? No. We want to go length of 1.5. We're going to go press specifications, and we're going to go make sure we go right hand. We're going to go make sure we have this one selected. Everything else looks okay. And we're going to press apply, and then or press OK. So now we have our piece already done, correct? Let's just save this before, so file save as, and we're going to call this again tutorial 6. All right, and we're going to press save. So now we have our screw. Good. The next step we're going to do is we're going to go play with the Iparts, which allows us to modify the shape of the screw automatically by just clicking on it. So what we're going to do now is on the ribbon, we're going to go to 3D and we're going to go to the Manage Perimeters. So where is that? It should be, is it missing here? Right here, we're going to add it. And now we have it added right over here. We see that? We do the drop down and we add it over here. Is that clear? Drop down, we're going to add it like we've done before with the primitives. We're going to add this one for us. Correct? Yeah. And then we're going to go click on it. And now we get this lovely table over here. All right. From here now, we're going to go type in diameter at the bottom. So we're going to go here. If I'm not mistaken, we're going to add it right up here. Am I adding something? So we're going to change this one. Sorry? Yeah, okay. Diameter. Okay. And now that we did that one, this one here is going to be the height. I spelled height with capital E. Alright. This one's going to stay D2. This one's going to stay head size. This one's going to be head width. Maybe I'm going to do this one to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to put capital S there. And capital W. Like this. And then the last one, this is going to be... This one, it's okay. I'm going to call this one D5 or D6? D5 is okay. And this one here should be? Thread. Oops. Okay. Like so, and I can leave this one just to make it look like you guys have it. D7. Sorry? Okay. Perfect. So now that we have that set up, we are okay here. The units, we have them are okay. Degrees, inches. Perfect. All right. So now that that's done, what's the next step we're going to do? We're going to press done. Okay. Now we're going to right click on the screen. Going to go dimension style, display, and we're going to go do expression right over here. Okay. What just happened? I think it's still loading, or it's supposed to. Something. Now we're going to go back to extrusion 1. All right. And we're going to go here and say show dimensions. And now we have them already set up. Okay. And now that we have that done, we're going to go back to the manage up here. And we're going to go to author right over here. And we're going to go create iPart right over here. And manage on top. Then we're going to go to author, and we're going to go to create iPart, which is going to open up the iPart author right over here. We see here. Okay. And now for this part here, we're going to. I think we're going to insert a new row. Right click, insert row. We're going to do it 3 times. And right click, insert row. So we add 3 rows. In the second row of the table, which is this one here, we're going to type in the new values. We're going to type in for the height, we're going to type in 5. For the head width, 0.75. And for the thread length, right over here, 3. Okay? And then for the next table, with the third one, sorry, we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to change, only going to change the height to head size to to the head width to 0.75 and the thread to 3. Alright, so now we're going to go and make number 3 the default. Right click, set as default. And we're going to press OK. And if you notice, our screw changed its location. It changed everything actually. So now if we go back to the browser, which is over here, and we're going to go back to, we should be able to see right over here, you see we have the table we built. If I click on this one, it's one screw. Build on this one, it's the other one. So technically you could have renamed them so it's more easier for you to understand which is which. So you have all 3 of them created. Is it okay so far? So let's hit save, just so we don't lose this. And the last part is just going to tell us if you want to edit. So open up, for example, part number 3, and you want to edit it. You just do right click, edit table, and you could play with the different numbers. You could add them, and you could even edit it via a spreadsheet as well. So you could open it in Excel. So I go right click. I don't have that option. It should have allowed you to do also options. Probably you could do set it up. You could change it up, but you can see here we could modify it. We could generate files, add more, and add less. So that was it for the tutorial on how to make a screw with different eye features. So we have 1 feature, 2, 3. And as you notice, the numbers we put changed as well. So thank you, and the rest will be posted tomorrow. Subscribe, share, and like.